Liec mierā mums! Nedaudz dublīši. Maškas čaļi mūs izglābs. Sūdīvagā! Vai te parkoties nevar? Es bez tabū!
Jūs šeit ieradāties. Ko jūs gribat no manīm? Tā ir platieši. Zvanā policijai.
Es nezinu. Galīgais žopā. Līdz ausīm. Es atvainojos, jums ir autortiesības. Jums ir autortiesības.
Yeah, we grew up in the backwoods, but we've been on the road doing shows, so it's been a little hard missing home. Been gone so long that I feel alone. I can't help how I feel when I miss the place. I used to get a buzz off just in case, but everything has changed. The Georgia boys have made a name, but I can't complain.
Kas te notiek? Kas te notiek? Kur jūs brauks?
Like a bonfire and play this song.
Seši. Tas ir pa kreisi, tas ir pa labi. Egīls ir tur, mēs vēl neesam, mēs esam uz apakaļ te palikām.
Jā, ķērpi.
Tā mums notiek kārtējā meklēšana, čau! Tā, reku skatās, redzi, viens staiga, viss kaut kādi metnieki meklē, cipariņš. Viss paskatīt, to tur akungs sēnes laikam aizgaisi. A mums ir viss. Šitie paskat, tas ir zāpaks, pat uzjūt savu mežreci.
And the sound of a southern rock guitar lick. Raised on country and southern rock, but I always loved a little hip hop. And we throw it down 4 miles around. Everybody knows when to come. When the bonfire's blazing high, you can't deny we're about to have some fun. Got the trucks backed up with the tailgates down, no cops around. We sip and shine, here I don't mind. Take a swig of this and let's use some signs. Yeah, no place that I'd rather be. Ain't nobody else that I'd rather see. So now it's time for us to unwind. Play that song for me one more time.